Hmm? Okay. Yesterday we had seen what happens for decimal expansion कि कैसे वो lines कैसे numbers या तो zero remainder आता है, that means it is either terminating, या तो वो terminate हो रहा है, या फिर क्या हो रहा है, it is non terminating but recurring, non terminating but recurring. करेक्ट, ये कल अपन ने चेक किया था. सो अभी थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ते हैं. राइट डाउन, I'll explain that to you. Show that 3.142678. Show that 3.142678. Show that 3.142678 is a rational number. Show that 3.142678 is a rational number. Now, rational number मतलब क्या करने का है अपने को? It has to be written in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. That is all that is there. So we can say 3.142678 is equals to 3142678 upon 1, and you have 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Okay, 1 upon 3142678 upon 6 zeros. So this is of the type P upon Q, and Q is not equal to 0. Therefore, it is a rational number. Therefore, it is a rational number. Hence, it is a rational number. Hence, it is a rational number. ठीक है? करो यहाँ तक. Then we will see recurring को कैसे करना है. That also we will see. ठीक है? Now, how to represent a recurring number also in P upon Q form? For example, now they ask us 0.3333. 0.3333. ओके, इसको ये लिख लिया ना आपने? तो इसको रिकरिंग में रिप्रेजेंट करना है. ओके, सॉरी, रिकरिंग को रैशनल में रिप्रेजेंट करना है. यू हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट इट एज अ रैशनल नंबर. सो 0.3333 is nothing but 0.3 with a bar on top of it. That tells me that the 3 is recurring, correct? That is recurring. Now you have to write it in the form P upon Q. You have to write it in the form P upon Q. Okay, so we'll say let 0.333 equals to x. Let it be x. ठीक है? अब कितने डिजिट्स रिकर हो रहे हैं? एक ही डिजिट है जो बार बार रिकर हो रहा है, isn't it? एक ही डिजिट बार बार रिकर हो रहा है. So because there is only one digit that is recurring, therefore I'll say therefore 10x equals to 3.33. एक डेसिमल शिफ्ट हो जाएगा 10 से. So x is 0.33. उल्टा लिखता हूँ so that will become easier. Let x equals to 0.3333. Okay, so 10x will be 3.33. 10x will be 3.3333. Okay, so now I have got x equals to this, 10x equals to this, 10x equals to this. So now I'll say 10x minus x. X minus 1x is 9x, and this since the decimal numbers keep on going, this will become equal to 3. So 9x equals to 3. 9x equals to 3. X equals to 3 upon 9. Therefore, x equals to 1 upon 3. Therefore, x equals to 1 upon 3. Okay? So we have written 3.33 is nothing but x, and x is now 1 upon 3, which is of the form p upon q. X is of the form p upon q. Therefore, you can say, therefore 0.3333 equals to 1 upon 3, which is of the form p upon q. That means it is a rational number. Understood? ये रिकरिंग नंबर को कैसे हमने किया? Okay, 0.3333, that is 0.3 bar. So we have taken x equals to whatever is given. Let x equals to whatever is given. अब एक, क्योंकि एक डिजिट है, सिर्फ 3 है जो बार बार रिपीट हो रहा है, so I have taken 1 0 over here, 10x. अगर ये 2 3 2 3 2 3 रहता, I would have taken 2 zeros, that means 100x. If it was 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, I would have taken 3 zeros, that means 1000x. Are we clear? So since there is only one digit which is recurring, I'm taking 1 0, that is 10x. So 10x equals to this. Subtract this. If I subtract this, I'll get 9x equals to 3. Solve, I'll get value of x, which is 1.3, which you can check on your calci, will give you 0.3333. ये copy करो. We are going to look at one more or two more examples of this kind. हो जाए तो बताना, फिर अगला सम करेंगे अपन. Done? हो गया? Okay. So the next one, express 1.272727 in the form P upon Q. Okay. So it is 1.27 bar. 1.27 bar. That is, I am going to say, let x equals to 1.2727. Now you'll see 27, 2 digits are repeating, correct? 2 digit बार बार repeat हो रहे, तो इसके आगे 2 0. So I'll have therefore 100x equals to, ये decimals 2 place shift होंगे, 127.272727. Okay, 127.272727. Subtract this. 100 minus x is 99x, and 127 minus 1 is 126, or ये 0.27 will get cancelled out, or will get subtracted, will become 0. Therefore, x equals to 126 upon 99. X equals to 126 upon 99. Therefore, 1.27 bar equals to 126 upon 99. So here we are showing even a non-terminating decimal in the form of a rational number P upon Q. ये भी कर लो. We'll do this first. 14 upon 11. डन। अभी ये वाला तुम ट्राई करोगे। ये वाला तुम ट्राई करोगे, करो। आवाज नहीं आ रही तुम्हारी, क्लियरली बोलो।
235 और 999।
दैट्स रॉन्ग। अब तुम पूछोगे क्यों, सो आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू। ओके, let x equals to 0.235 3535, ठीक है। let 100 equals to, therefore पहले 10x करूंगा मैं। 10x will give me 2.353535, करेक्ट। 10x में ये मिला। अब बोलोगे सर लेकिन ये 35 रिपीट हो रहा है, आपने एक ही लिया। I've just shifted this number which is not repeating a little ahead of the decimal. That is what I've done. अब ये दो से शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं, दो से रिपीट हो रहा है, so इसके आगे 2 0, that means 1000x equals to 235.353535, 235.353535, समझे? Okay, now subtract this, because if I subtract this, ये 0.35 ये cancel हो जाएगा। So 1000 minus 10 is 996. 235 minus 2, 233, और ये तो सब माइनस हो गया। Therefore x equals to 233 upon 990, 233 upon 990, समझे? So you'll say therefore 0.235 bar equals to 233 upon 990. This is how you write it in the rational form. ये कॉपी कर लो। The decimal expansion of a rational number, the decimal expansion of a rational number, decimal expansion of a rational number is either terminating or non-terminating recurring. The decimal expansion of a rational number is either terminating or non-terminating recurring. Non-terminating recurring. या उसका उल्टा, the same thing. Moreover, a number whose decimal expansion, is terminating or non-terminating but recurring. A number whose decimal expansion is terminating or non-terminating recurring is a rational number. Is a rational number. Is a rational number. यहाँ तक clear? Is this clear? Okay. Okay. Then, in case of irrational number क्या होने वाला है? Irrational number में there's only one change. The decimal expansion will not be terminating. It will also not be recurring. Non-terminating and non-recurring. So वो लिखो. The decimal expansion of an irrational number. The decimal expansion of an irrational number. The decimal expansion of an irrational number is non-terminating and non-recurring. The decimal expansion of an irrational number is non-terminating and non-recurring. Non-terminating and non-recurring. The decimal expansion of an irrational number is non-terminating and non-recurring. या उसका उल्टा भी बोल सकते हैं क्या? A number, write down, a number whose decimal expansion, is non-terminating and non-recurring. Whose decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-recurring. Non-terminating and non-recurring is irrational. Is irrational. Okay. So all you need to have for an irrational number, non-terminating, और ध्यान देना है कि it should not be recurring. कोई digit repeat नहीं होना चाहिए. Is that clear? And we have already discussed how many such irrational numbers are there. Infinite. Between any two numbers, you can find infinite irrational numbers. Okay. Between two rational numbers, there are infinite irrational numbers. लिख लो. Between two rational numbers, there are infinite irrational numbers. There are infinite irrational numbers. ठीक है? मुफीस टेक्स्ट बुक है ना बेटा तुम्हारे पास? Good. So now we are going to proceed about how to represent these numbers on the number line. Okay? बहुत easy है. एक बार देख लोगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा. कुछ करना नहीं है. सिर्फ नंबर लाइंस बनाते जाने हैं. नंबर लाइन बना लिए, नंबर लाइन बना लिए. सिर्फ उतना ही करना है. Okay? For example, we have to represent 2.665. Okay? Represent 2.665 on the number line. अब ये तो clear है. 2.665 will lie between 2 and 3. 2.665 will lie between how much? Where will it lie? Between 2 and 3. Okay. So first I'll draw a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Correct? Then I'll say between this I'll draw another number line. Now from 2 I'll have 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 and 3.0. Correct? This is how I have expanded between 2 and 3. Okay, इसको magnify करेंगे हम. So this is what is that magnification that has happened between 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3, this is the magnification. Now 2.665, that means it will lie between 2.6 and 2.7. It will lie between 2.6 and 2.7. It will lie between 2.6 and 2.7. So I'll have another number line which will magnify now 2.6 and 2.7. So here will be 2.6, 2.61, 2.62, 2.63, 2.64,